vlogs. So today I am going to teach you all how to make my favorite shake. Its name is Craziness Shake. So the ingredients are 1 banana, marshmallows and chocolate Hershey's, half cup of milk, sugar and a mixer jar and of course a mixer, and it is not necessary to put the vanilla ice cream, but you can put, it's your choice. So first we'll take the milk and pour it into the mixer jar. Boom! So then I'll just open the Hershey's chocolate syrup and then put blah 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 blah. So now, hey guys, wait! I'm going to bring a spoon. Wait. So I'll mix it now. Agitate, agitate, agitate. Hey, I think it's less. Let's put some more. Yeah! Crazy! That's much better. That's much better. So you can see it looks like this. So now I'll get a knife and a marshmallow and then I'll chop it. Sorry guys, I meant I will tear it. Tear, tear, tear. And one more. Tear, tear, tear. One more. Tear, tear, and tear. And the last one. Tear, tear, tear. So now I'll take a knife and I'll keep the cup aside, and then I'll cut the banana in maximum 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, it's taking to the knife now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just do yeah. Now I open the jar. Wait guys. So now I take out the spoon. Whoopsie! At least 1 spoon. Now mix it. So now I'll also put 1 spoon of vanilla ice cream. Yeah! A little bit more. That's it. And now it's time to put it into the mixer. So I'll meet you guys when it will be blended, and I'll show you all that how it looks like. So bye. So now I'll pour it in the glass. Guys, I think I will not be able to do this, so I'll call my mother. Mother, please come. My shake is ready. So I'll taste it and tell you how it looks. Delicious! Bye!